Hi friends! Are you ready to go on a dino-might adventure? Today, we're going to search and digging for dinosaur fossils using awesome dinosaur toys. Are you ready? Let's become little paleontologists. But first, we need our special tools for digging. The first tool is a brush. We also need a shovel. And the last one is a chisel. Let's start digging. Let's use a brush to search for a fossil, okay? There's nothing in here. Let's search on another area. How about this one? Do you see any clues about any fossils in here? Look, what's that? I think I saw something. Let's digging more deeper. Oh, do you see it? I think we have discovered a dinosaur fossil. Yup, I think we found it. Now it's time to use our paleontologist tools, a shovel and a chisel. It's like the fossil's cozy little bed made of stone. Oh no, it's hard to break it. The fossil was trapped inside a special rock called matrix. How are we going to break it? Oh, I know. Let's use some water. Let's try to break the rock again. This rock looks tough, but we're tougher. Careful now. We don't want to break the bones. Let's dig and dig. Oh no, it's hard to break it. Let's crack this rock like real scientists. Oh, what's hiding under here? Let's keep searching. Hey, I see something. Wait, is that a toe? A tail? Let's clean these dinosaur fossils one by one. Now, let's look at the details of this fossil with a magnifying glass. Wow, there are a lot of bones in here. Now, let's put these bones together. Here's the first bone. Is this a head? Let's arrange the other bone parts. Now, let's match these parts. Yup, that's correct. Next, let's put the legs part. We need to carefully attach these bones so they're not broken. Let's put it back together and finish this. Now, let's attach the body part to the head. Yes. Let's take our magnifying glass again. All bones are in the correct placement. Yup, amazing! We did it! Can you guess which dinosaur this is? Yup, amazing! We did it! Yup, that's right. It's a Stegosaurus. Great job, junior paleontologist. The Stegosaurus was a big plant-eating dinosaur that lived a very long time ago during the Jurassic period. It had large bony plates along its back and sharp spikes on its tail to help protect itself from danger. Many scientists think its back plates may also have helped keep its body cool or made it look scary to other dinosaurs. Thanks for digging with us today. You learned about fossils, dinosaurs, and we had so much fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome dino adventures. Goodbye, explorers. See you next time.